Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Effendi. I'm from English Education Department. So here I want to make a video creative for a segment for oral exam in English in structure composition 1. So I want to make a video creative about present continuous I'm doing. So present continuous I'm doing adalah bentuk tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan aksi yang sedang berlangsung selama waktu tertentu pada waktu sekarang or present. Bentuk ini menunjukkan bahwa arti tersebut terjadi sebelum atau begins before and selama is in progress in the present dan berlanjut setelah continuous after waktu atau aksi lainnya. So this present continuous I'm doing is used to talk about first activities happening now. For example, the kids are watching TV. The kids are watching TV. And I'm sit down now because I am tired. And the third example is I'm not learning German because this is an English class. And next to the second example we use to talk about in present continuous I'm doing is activities happening around now and not necessarily this very moment. For example, first, Sally is studying really hard for his exam this week. The second example is I'm learning earlier illustrating this book. This book now. I'm reading a really interesting book now. So in the third example for present continuous I'm doing it's used to talk about is activities happening in the near future, especially for planning future event. For example, first, Acha is coming for dinner tomorrow. Acha is coming for dinner tomorrow. And the second example is, are you doing anything tonight? That's example is we used to talk about a present continuous I'm doing. So present continuous I'm doing is talk about happening right now. So planning you want to do in the future. That's a present continuous I am doing. Penggunaan dan contoh present continuous I am doing. First, aksi yang terjadi selama waktu pembicaraan. Jadi present continuous itu adalah bentuk tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu aksi tertentu yang terjadi saat ini atau sekarang atau present. Contoh, Alan cannot pick up his phone right now because he is reading his book. Alan tidak mengangkat teleponnya sekarang karena dia sedang membaca bukunya. Itu yang menunjukkan aksi yang terjadi selama waktu pembicaraan. In the penggunaan dan contoh yang kedua yaitu untuk menyatakan suatu aksi, menyatakan situasi dan aksi yang terjadi hanya sementara atau kita harapkan untuk berubah. Contoh, Sela is living in Depok for the time being to her study. Sela tinggal di Depok untuk melakukan studinya. Jadi, for example, untuk menyatakan situasi dan aksi yang kedua, Alan is working at the library this too. Alan bekerja di perpustakaan. Jadi, itulah contoh penggunaan present continuous I'm doing beserta contoh dan penjelasannya. Saya Anissa Effendi dari English Education Department dengan nomor BP 2111 1156 13001. Hanya dapat mengucapkan, hanya itu yang dapat saya sampaikan. Jika ada if I mistake. I'm so sorry about that. And thank you for watching and hope you enjoying. See you.